Hi there. Today I would like to talk to you about your rights as a private wealth client in South Africa. As a private wealth client in South Africa, your rights are shaped by both legal frameworks and industry standards that govern financial planning. Here's a general overview of the rights you have as a private wealth client in South Africa. Under the Protection of Personal Information Act, or POPIA, clients have the right to expect that their personal, financial and investment data will be kept confidential. Wealth management firms and advisors must secure client information and use it only for legitimate purposes. Wealth managers and financial advisors are bound by a fiduciary duty, meaning they must act in your best interests. Under the Financial Advisory and Intermediary Services Act, financial advisors must be properly registered with the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, and they must provide advice that is suitable to your individual financial circumstances. Wealth managers must align your portfolio with your financial goals, time horizon, and risk appetite. You have the right to withdraw your funds from certain investment products, provided you comply with the terms of the agreement and any applicable penalties or fees. If your investment needs change, you have the right to reallocate or adjust your investment portfolio based on advice or your own preferences. If you feel that your rights have been violated or that you have received subpar service, you can lodge a formal complaint to the FAIS Ombudsman. The FAIS Ombudsman's mandate is to resolve complaints informally and free of charge. You must be provided with clear information on the product, cost, and the risks associated with the different investment products. This includes understanding the tax implications, possible returns, and liquidity constraints. In conclusion, by understanding your rights, you can ensure that your private wealth is managed with transparency, integrity, and in line with your personal objectives. If in doubt, seeking the guidance of a qualified financial professional is always a wise course of action. Thank you for listening.